So this is what I'll be taking to the Leavenworth show. It's on coils now. We've got rid of the air suspension. I do have air cups in the front, so we'll just have to get those hooked up still. But the reason why there's air cups in the front is because we have this custom fiberglass bumper that we're working on. A little bit different. I'll get some better shots of it later. Yeah, so this is my dad's Mercedes. Pretty much bought it at an auction. It was drug evidence seized. I don't know if I have any footage of how he got it, but there was evidence tape everywhere. So, and the windows weren't rolled down. I had to get a key made for it because that was missing for some reason. But yeah, we're doing some aero in the back there, custom wing. Nothing too crazy, but did a ton of maintenance on it, and yeah, hopefully it's ready for the drive. We're going to do some cutting on the Mercedes here. Got to cut that to install that. And let's see what else we got going on. We got the wing mount done. We got our mount for our light bar there. That'll go there. We are recording. All right, we got the flare tacked in there on the back side. Normally when we do flares, we gotta cut this right here with the body right there and weld in between that gap there, fill it and everything like that. But I wanted to kind of save some time on this build. Maybe down the road we'll redo it, but we only have so much time left to get this car done. So we're doing it a little different on this one. And then coming up to here, we did have a screw in here holding the bumper to the fender, but we got to be able to take this bumper back off so we could do body work to it. And then I want to be able to be removable in the future, so can't have that screw there because then this doesn't sit flush enough and I can't pull that screw out to get it. Other options normally is we cut right here and make it a two-piece, like this goes with the bumper, but I think it looks pretty good just all one piece. And normally we would do like extensions here to go down, extensions here to go down for the radius, but on this guy I think we're just going to leave it. So yeah, we'll have to make a bracket in here to bring this bolt hole down here, and then hopefully our mounting point for the bumper will be like right here, so there's enough room to still get to it and get it apart. But yeah. We're working on Andrew's Soarer as well today. He put the Volks on there because it had different wheels before. Right-hand drives, 5-speed. 1J, non-VVTi. It's pretty clean in here. So this thing, I don't know if I really like that, the mesh. What do you think? You like the mesh? No comment. He doesn't want to get in trouble. All right, so a lot of Gretty stuff. We're working on a Misfire issue, tested that out. I think it's coil packs, so I would grab some coil packs off my spare 2J. We'll throw it on there, see if it works. But yeah, old school Gretty E-manage. I don't know what it's running. It's probably running fuel and ignition. Yeah, we'll swap the coil pack out and see if it stops the misfire. Now that that's gone, also picked up some wheels, ARE wheels. Say bad vibes on them, cause you know, bad vibes. And yeah, I've been looking for a set of these because these are actually 16s and not the normal 15s, 5x114. So we'll get those refinished someday and throw them on something. Maybe the Mirage, don't know. I was gonna put Epsilons on the Mirage, but these are already all together, so I might just run these.
Rapping like I ain't rich, like I ain't sold, not a nail record platinum and there go. Like I ain't dripped, like I ain't froze, like I ain't made a $250,000 for a show, like I ain't. I can't stay.
What are you talking about?
Your thug life.
What thug life?
Yo, Louis here.
No, that's all wrong. You gotta do it like this. Yeah, it's Louis here. Holla at your boy.
You're missing the grill.
Oh yeah, usually I have a grill.
Super blue some rhinestones on his teeth.
We'll probably drop a picture right here so you know what I'm talking about. We're gonna end the video there, and hope you liked it. Hope you got a little insight on what's going on at Jump Garage, and we'll post videos once or twice a week, or at least try to. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.